Welcome to Coffee Talk Tuesday. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jennifer. We're with the Florida Property Girls team with Mainframe Real Estate. We are joined by Portia, which is the other member of the team. She took the place of Bentley because she decided she was going to join us last week, and so thought we would bring her along.
Some events.
So we are super busy today, so we're doing this bright and early. And events we've got going on not only downtown, but we've got going all over the state, really. We've got starting Thursday, March 1st, and it's going on through the 11th, is over in Plant City, which is the Strawberry Festival. It has some great entertainment, including Reba McEntire and Brad Paisley. It's hard to believe that Plant City can pull in some of those big headliners. And March 2nd is my Ba's birthday, so happy birthday, Ba. I love and miss her. And then on Saturday is Orlando City's 2018 season kickoff. So head out there at 7:30 p.m. is the time for kickoff, so enjoy and go out and support.
Go Orlando City.
Yay!
And also want to do a shout out from my hometown. It's the starting of all the small town festivals, and Chalanika is going on this weekend. So shout out to all my Moorhaven friends. Cheers, and all the beauty queens that are being crowned this week.
Yeah. Did you say it was the 70th?
70th annual Chalanika Festival. So shout out to all my Moorhaven friends.
Hey, April, Edith.
Cheers.
Angie, Nicole.
So today we're going to tag on to our previous two episodes, and those were about staging and photography. We're going to talk to you a little bit about a 3D virtual tour. So we're going to take you on a little tour of one of those.
This is one of our previous listings. And okay, so the way this works is if you see these circles here, you can click on any of these circles and it'll take you to that point. So I'm going to click on the circle here. You can see how you get a good view. You can look up. You can see the fine details. So this allows you to see that this has coffered ceilings. You can turn, you can see the baseboards. You can see we're turning into the front door here. And if you're looking at this on an iPad or a cell phone, it's actually a little bit easier to maneuver around. You see there's a little bar area over here. I'm going to flip around. I'm going to take us to the kitchen. So you just click on these, and you can skip the circles as well. So as we're moving in here, so our sellers loved this feature because it did help to save foot traffic in their home. We could go ahead and send this before we even showed the home to the actual buyers or the buyer's agent, and they could preview the home. So if the floor plan didn't work for them, then they didn't have to view the home. So sellers really love that feature. Also, they can view from anywhere. So these buyers were actually out of country buyers, and the husband was able to come and visit the home, but the wife was not able to. So this allowed him to see the home, send the link to his wife, and then his wife was able to make a decision, and he was able to place the offer that day instead of scheduling another plane ticket for her to come down and view the home and possibly losing out on a home that he loved, because our market moves fairly quick. So you can see how this feature of a 3D showcase can really set your home apart from the competition. This is the cutting edge buyer engagement tool with a 3D video walkthrough. It allows buyers to see the floor plan. If I click here in the lower left hand corner, we can see a dollhouse view. So you can zoom in here. Let's say you viewed the home that day. You can't remember where the third bedroom was. So I can go on top of the home. I can spin it around. I can look. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Oh, there it is. There's the bedroom. So you can go and click, and it'll really help you get a feel for the floor plan and where the bedrooms are. So buyers love it. Our sellers love it. It saves everyone time, because if the home's just not going to work, let's say somebody looks at it and says, I just don't like that kitchen. I mean, I can't imagine that happening in this kitchen, but it does. Some people have certain things they're looking for, and sometimes you can't always see that in the pictures in the regular virtual tours where it's just pictures zooming through, the same pictures rotating. So you can see how this is really going to make a home stand out. We offer this to our high-end homes, our luxury homes, and it's a great feature that sellers and buyers love because you can see it from anywhere, any state, you can see it any country, and it really allows you to step in the home and get a feel like you're standing in the home.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we wish you all a wonderful week. And we will see you next Tuesday. Cheers.